Hello and welcome back. In the previous video we have installed our project. So in this video I have installed another project in my another folder and will name it as Master React, and I have installed it with npx create react app. So with installing of the project, if you see in here and with node modules, it will install 1782 different packages for React. So why do we need to install all of these packages in order to run our simple project? So in order to see this whole concept, we will go to our next diagram. So we have used create react app in order to create a project, and we've got our brand new project. In this brand new project, there are tons of different dependencies. They are going to help us in building new project. I want to tell you one particular dependency that's going to help us in learning this behind the scene behaviors of different libraries, and that particular library is Babel. So the term Babel might be familiar to you, but I'm going to tell you simple things about Babel and why we use it, and of course why is it included in our create react app application. Okay, quick little side here. So it's possible that you probably been learning JavaScript version ES5 for a couple of months, weeks and years, depends on you, and it's possible that you might have picked up some features from JavaScript version ES15. Each versions have specific syntax and feature available to it. So there are different versions are present for JavaScript for every year, 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on. So every version have new features and upgrades for JavaScript. So why they upgrade the language? Because they want to put some benefits for developers like you and I. So by keeping in mind the benefits, so you and I wants to use the newer version of JavaScript. Of course, the previous versions benefits are also present in the newest versions, but there are a little bit issue in this. So if we take a look on this diagram, so eventually our apps going to be executed on our browsers. So not all browsers has excellent support for ES JavaScript versions. For example, if we write a code in ES5, then this code is going to be executed without any problem in all browsers. And same in the case of ES 2015. But if we take a look on 2016, 17, 18, 19 and 20, not all browsers is going to handle JavaScript of these versions. So if you want to write a code with ES 2018, then there is a conflict here that your code is not going to be executed on browser. So in order to resolve this problem, Babel comes into play. Babel is a command line tool which translate ES 2018, 16, 17 and so on languages to ES5. So if we write our JavaScript file in 2018, 19, 16 and so on, then if we do not write Babel inside it, then your browser will show an empty page. Okay. So what Babel will do here is Babel will translate your files written in 2018 and so on into ES5 version, and then ES5 version JS file is going to be executed on browser. So Babel is included in every project. Okay, whenever you install your project, Babel comes with it. So Babel comes with different packages. So that's why we are talking about why the npx create react app is downloaded or installed different 1782 packages in our project. So of course Webpack and React server, whether it's a dev server, is going to be installed on our React application, and we are going to talk about Webpack and React server later in this series. But for now, I'm trying to tell you that there are different packages is installed in our application. We go in here. Okay, they're all installed in node module. Okay, so the reason of telling you that we are dealing with different packages like Babel, Webpack and dev server. Now let's have a quick break, and then we will look on content about project that we generated while installing the project. So let's have a quick break here.